Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to make Desi Raita updated. Whisk 2 cups plain yogurt until smooth and slightly airy, then grate 1 medium cucumber and drain excess water before folding it in. Add 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1-2 teaspoon salt, 1-4 teaspoon red chili powder, and a squeeze of lemon to taste. Mix gently to keep some texture, chill for 10 minutes, and finish with fresh cilantro. Gather ingredients and prep them before you start. Measure 2 cups plain yogurt and keep it chilled. Grate 1 medium cucumber and press out excess water with a towel, then chop a handful of cilantro. Have ready 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1-4 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt to taste. Also prepare a small tempering with 1 tablespoon oil and a pinch of mustard seeds and curry leaves for optional aroma. Quick recommendation and a small pause. If you are finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support more recipes. On another note, I recently tried the new Kindle Paperwhite and love how I can read cookbooks and notes anywhere without clutter. It's light, has an adjustable front light, and stores many recipes. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Fold the grated cucumber into the whisked yogurt using slow strokes to keep some air and texture. Avoid overmixing. Season with 1 teaspoon roasted cumin powder, 1-4 teaspoon red chili powder, and salt, then add a squeeze of lemon to brighten flavors. For a warm, fragrant finish, heat 1 tablespoon oil, crack 1-2 teaspoon mustard seeds and curry leaves until they pop, and pour immediately over the raita for an aromatic touch.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.